Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro, and let me show you how to add the passcode on the following device. So at the very beginning, from your home screen, you have to select the settings. Then from the list of all settings, you have to pick Face ID and passcode, and now scroll down a bit. Here you will notice Turn Passcode Out. Simply click on it, and now it's time to enter the passcode that you would like to have. So let me enter, for example, 134679, and now confirm it one more time. So it's 134679. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now you will notice that without this passcode you will not be able to unlock the device, so no stranger will be able to access your phone. And that's it. As you can see, you've just added the passcode to your Apple iPhone 11 Pro. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.